Guys, I'm really, really excited right now. I have been wanting to upgrade, refresh my desk setup for a while now, and I was very easily influenced when I saw this, so I bought it and let's set it up. Just for reference, I even got the matching mouse. Okay, I'm trying to figure out the best way to open this, so please forgive me. I think I can just... Ooh. Let's slide it on out. Ooh, okay, it's happening, I'm so excited, like you guys have no idea. This is how it looks. So before we get to the nitty gritty, let's see what this baby is. Pretty sure this is like the cables and whatnot. Yup, okay. So this is the cable. This is the brush for it to keep it clean and dust free. And then this is the cable to plug it into the computer. Hold that aside. These two. Now let's get to the meat and potatoes of this baby. Oh my god. I just touched a key on accident and I already heard the ASMR. We gotta really like extend the joy of this. User manual. Got it. And of course, a cleaning cloth. I'm gonna put that together with these guys. Oh, we're not ready. We're not ready for the main event, guys. Oh my god. Okay, let me try to make this reveal satisfying. Oh my god. You already know I'm gonna be doing a sound test, so just wait shortly for that. But oh my god. This thing is very, very like solid. It looks like it's gonna be a lot more lightweight, but it's definitely good quality stuff, which is amazing. Let me go ahead and do a quick little basic setup and then I will do a sound test. Okay, I finally set it up with the matching RGB and wrist rests. I'm obsessed. Okay, keyboard typing test incoming. I also feel like it does not sound the same on video versus in person, but it's honestly like a good mix between